Hello, trying something new, making a video of my line shaft that I still have to hang. It's right about here. I recently moved to another house and started over again. This is where it's coming to hang, in the middle of the shed. That's the middle, more or less. We have a bearing on the outer side, second bearing there, and on the end I want to hang this on these two beams clamped together. That is mostly up on the wall, and this is just for extra, and maybe I can hang the motor or do something else with it. I have a grinder, small drill press, small bandsaw, and a lathe. And this is what it's going to look about. There's my little barns. That's straddle powered, so that's the corner where for now is no line shaft. Heater. Here is an extra forge. And I have a small drill press here, but that needs a lot of work. So I want to keep you all up to date, and if you like this, I can make more videos about it. I'm now going to clean the bearings and try to get the beams on the right spot, so I can hang it between now and a few days, I hope.